Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a special lip care product, Masofta Anti-Pigmentation Lip Balm with SPF 30+. This is for dark and dry lips. Let's unbox and check. So here is the product box. Anti-Pigmentation Lip Balm SPF 30+. 1% Kojic acid. Just open the box. Active ingredients: Kojic acid, alba arbutin, shea butter with vitamin E, A and F. Okay, now open. Wow, the jar is small and easy to carry. White and yellow color design. Looks clean and neat. It has all details like SPF 30+ and ingredients. Open the jar. Let's open it. The lip balm looks creamy and smooth. Smells mild and fresh. Not too strong. Benefits: this lip balm helps lightening dark lips, protect from sun, reduce pigmentation, keep lips soft and moisturized. Key ingredients: vitamin C brightening, kojic acid reduce darkness, shea butter and cocoa butter soft lips. How to use: apply on clean lips. Use 2 times daily, morning and night. Very important when going out in the sun. My first impression: feels light and non-sticky, soft on the lips. Hoping for good result on pigmentation. I will update in an upcoming review video. Price and worth: if you want clear and bright lips, you can try this. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more unboxing video. Bye.